California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a haul video. So basically the past month and a half I have spent way too much money on makeup, and I have also got sent a few things in PR. So I was like, let's do a haul because I love watching hauls and I really like to do hauls, but I don't usually buy enough stuff to do a haul. And the fact that it's taken me only a couple of weeks to accumulate this much makeup is ridiculous. So that's that. I really quickly wanted to say this isn't me bragging. I have worked for this money and I'm very thankful for the things I have been sent by brands. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. So the first brand I'm gonna start with is Maybelline. So basically I am now on Maybelline's PR list, which is absolutely insane. I am so beyond excited about this. I got my package yesterday and it was kind of insane, but I'm just gonna basically show you everything I got from them, which is a lot. I'm going to admit that right now, but I'm so beyond thankful and it means the absolute world to me. So, a beauty sponge, 4 of their eyebrow pomades. So I have light blonde, blonde, medium brown, and deep brown. I got 6 of their mini city palettes. I got rooftop bronze. I have urban jungle. I got skyscape dusk. Downtown sunrise. Diamond district. And high rise sunset. These are all so pretty. Their lemonade craze palette, which looks like this. I've almost bought this multiple times, but never wanted to just I don't know, just too lazy. And then I got the matte bar palette as well. Mascara in Deja Blue. I also got it in Ultraviolet. And then I got their Total Temptation mascara in Very Black. These are the Super Stay Matte Ink Lippies. So there's these two, these two, and then I also got 2 nudie shades. I'm so excited to try this one especially. This is gonna be super pretty. Electric Shine Prismatic Lip Glosses. So here's all of these. I'm really excited to use these because I have more options now for looks, for lip colors, and everyone knows I love lip glosses. So I have these ones. These are so pretty. These ones as well. They are gorgeous and I'm so excited to use all of those products. I'm definitely going to be filming some more makeup looks with all the new stuff I got lately. So that is everything I got from Maybelline. Thank you so much, Maybelline. I had been going through some stuff and that made me the happiest girl in the absolute world. So thank you so much. The last thing I got in PR is 2 pairs of lashes from Black Cosmetics. I am officially on their PR list and an ambassador for them. So I do have 2 coupon codes. I have Tori Linn 10, which is 10% off if you buy 2 pairs of lashes, I think, or it's 1 pair. It's either 1 or 2 pairs. And then I have Tori Linn 15, which is 15% off for either 2 or 3 pairs. I can't exactly remember what she said, but I love Ebony so much. That is her name. Ebony is the owner of Black Cosmetics. She's the sweetest girl in the absolute world. So I completely recommend for you to go buy from her company, follow her on Twitter and Instagram. She's so sweet. She sent me Fairy Queen and Keep It PG. which those names are just so cute. This is Fairy Queen and this is Keep It PG. She like made sure that all of the people who made her PR list, she went through and looked at their account, and these are the two she picked for me. So thank you so much, Ebony. I love you so much. The next few things are things my mom bought me because we went shopping. So she got me some blonde hair ties because we could never find blonde hair ties. And then she also got me this face mask. And then I'm gonna be doing prom makeup, as you guys know, and in my Amazon cart, anytime I find something that I'm eventually gonna buy, I'll just like add it to the save later. So these are two things I had in the save later, and she was ordering a few things, so she just decided to get them for me. And she also got me a book. She got me 5 Feet Apart, and it's really good so far. So she just got me an Airspun loose face powder. I used to have this and mine got really old and I didn't like using it on myself anymore, but I thought it'd be really, really good for clients. So she got me this. It's only like $5, but thank you so much, Mom. And then she also got me a little brush set. This was also not very expensive, but I know that I'm not gonna have enough brushes if I didn't buy some more eye brushes, so I just got this little set. So thank you so much, and now we're gonna get into all of the things I bought, which is way too many. Okay, we're gonna start with palettes first. Yes, that is plural. I have 4 palettes. I've been spending way too much money, but basically what I do is when I am really upset for a period of time, I do this thing called retail therapy, which you guys have heard me talk about before on my channel. I do this. It's really bad. I know I shouldn't, but it's all good. So the first thing I bought was the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. She's so cute. Look at her. And like, look at that. She comes apart. But basically, this is what the inside looks like. It is so, so pretty. I have swatched a couple shades. This is $23, but if you use Daisy's code, you get it for like $19 or something. So, oh my gosh, I dropped it. Basically what I was trying to show you guys is that Daisy came up with this idea that you can have like a vanity. Okay, that's really bright. So you can have like a vanity, so it just looks like that. I'm gonna put this away before I drop it again and break it. Next, I got the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette. I bought this on Ulta. The second I saw it, I knew I was gonna need it. Like, look at how beautiful. And the packaging is so pretty. Like, I love all the colors, and the thing that really made me want this palette, oh, I'm digging my finger into a shade. I'm struggling today, guys. But basically, I loved all of these dark shimmer shades so much. So I'm beyond excited about this. These are all things I've been using a little bit, but I need to be using a little bit more. And then I have 2 more palettes. Both of these are from Beauty Bay. I finally ordered something from Beauty Bay because Erin Rose, aka like one of my favorite YouTubers ever, she basically convinced me to buy these. So the first, I dropped it. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Please don't. First thing Erin convinced me to buy was the Living My Best Light palette by Beauty Bay. I got the shade Delicate. I'm pretty sure she has Brilliance, but those are Goldie shades, and they didn't have it in stock when I made my purchase. So this is what it looks like. This palette is only $10, and it's so beautiful. I haven't really used any of this stuff because I've been waiting to put it away until after I film my haul, so it's all been sitting on my bedroom floor. But this is so pretty, and I'm so excited to use it. And then I got this bad boy. I'm basically so excited about this. I've seen plenty of reviews on it, and I finally bought it. I thought about getting the mattes one, but once again, when I ordered, my like order, they didn't have the all matte one in stock. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just get this one because I don't have that many shimmers. I have a lot of matte colors. So this is the the EYN Bright palette. Just the normal one. This has 42 colors in it, and I believe it is $22. And just look at this palette. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. How could you not? Like, look at that. And I love the packaging. And then it comes with this huge ass mirror. Look at that. Like, this is a bang for your buck. Literally each shadow is like 50 cents. Completely recommend this. I've used it like twice. Pigmentation is amazing. So I totally recommend you buy this palette. Then I won a giveaway. So this brand called Boss Lash Co. I won a giveaway with them, and they sent me one pair of their lashes. So basically they just put this thing on Instagram, and not Instagram, Twitter, and they're like, retweet, and comment your favorite lash style out of this picture. So they had like 12 pairs of lashes, and I said these ones are my favorite. These I'm pretty sure are in Power. It'd be great if the box would say the style, but I'm pretty sure they're Power. So they just look like this. They are so pretty, and I cannot wait to use these. So thank you so much. Then I also have bought in multiple pairs of eyelashes. So this one brand I've been wanting to buy from, called Get It Beauty, had a 60% off sale. So all of their lashes were like $240 and $360 or something like that. So I decided I was going to buy some. So basically I bought 5 pairs of lashes from them. It was like a total like $20 of shipping, which I did not think was that much for 5 pairs of lashes at all. So I got 2 of the style Eclectic, which these just look like this, but they look like this. They're so pretty. Then I got 2 pairs of Galileo, like that, and I used this pair. You can tell that I used them, but they look like this. They're super pretty. The packaging is making it kind of hard for you guys to see, but they're so pretty. And then I bought 1 style of Cosmos. These look like this. They're really pretty. So I bought those, and then I have 2 more pairs of eyelashes that I got at Dollar General. So I got the Broadway Eyes, and I got the style Scarlet and Allure. These are each like $2 or something, and they're really pretty. And one of my favorite pairs of lashes from them, one of my favorite pairs of lashes ever is from them. So I picked these up. They are super pretty, and I'm so excited to use them. So now we have Ulta. I bought all of this over spring break. So the first 2 things I bought were from in stores. So I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Finally, everyone says this is so good, so I finally bit the bandwagon and dropped it. And then the last thing I got in stores at Ulta was the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Snowflake. So basically, that's a lie. Once again, I bought this because Erin Rose talks about it, and she mixes this with her Beauty Bay palette all the time. So I was like, I really want that. And then also, it was during the Anastasia PR search, so I wanted to have something else Anastasia to be using. So I bought this mainly because Erin Rose recommended it, and partially because it was the ABH PR search. But look at that packaging. It's so pretty. And then the last few things I ordered online at Ulta, and I bought them because it was during the 21 Days of Beauty, and there's one product I've really been wanting, so I decided to wait to make my purchase then. And I also had a like 20% off coupon or something like that. So first of all, I wanted the MAC Painterly Paint Pot really bad. James Charles and Jeffree Star both talk about this a lot. I know the P. Louise base is like the big talk right now, but it was 50% off, so I got it for basically $11, and that's cheaper than ordering the P. Louise base with customs and shipping. So I got the Painterly Paint. Again, since it was during the Anastasia thing, I wanted another product, but I also have been wanting to try their Dip Brow for a really long time. But since I have such light brows, I'm afraid to spend $18 on a pomade and it be too dark. So I got the Dip Brow Gel, which is so pretty. Look at the packaging. But this is in blonde, and I honestly love it so much. It's so good. I've only used it like twice because it hasn't been sitting in my drawers, but it's amazing. I thoroughly recommend you go buy this for $18. Totally recommend. My friend Tori, or my name twin on Instagram, her name is Tori MUA. I love her so much. She always raves about the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Primer, so I bought it. She uses white, so I got it in white. I've only used this once, but it worked really well. The very last things I have are a couple of brushes from Morphe. So basically, two of these I believe I already own, and they are two of my favorite brushes that I use so many times that I just needed to buy duplicates. So I got the Morphe M508, which is this little brush. I use this to cut my crease, and I use this basically every time I do my eye makeup. So I thoroughly recommend you get this. It's the best brush ever. M124, sorry. But this is like this. It's a firm shadow brush. I use this to pack on glitters or shimmer shades on my lid, but this is really good too. It's a ride or die brush. And then I got two new blending brushes. So I got the M514, which is a detailed round blender. It just looks like this. I thought this would be really good for the crease, or like the shade that goes above your crease for a really good blend. And then the very last thing in this haul is the M562. This is the tiny crease blender brush. She is so little and so cute, and I can't wait to use it. Alright guys, so that is everything I have bought in recently or have been sent. I'm so excited to finally put all of that stuff away. That is the best feeling in the world, is putting all your makeup away. And I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. That's all I have to say. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I love you guys so much, and I will see you lovely babies next time. Bye guys.